Hello learners, welcome back to this channel. My name is Teacher Evelyn, and in this video we're going to talk about cooking food, specifically boiling and shallow frying. Let's get started. There are some foods which can be eaten raw. This means without cooking. For instance, fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw. However, many foods that humans eat cannot be eaten raw. They have to be cooked. Cooking is the process of preparing food using heat. Cooking changes the taste, texture, smell, and appearance of our food. It also helps to destroy harmful microorganisms that may cause diseases. Different cooking methods are used depending on the type of food that is being prepared and the outcome one desires. So in this lesson, we shall learn about boiling and the shallow frying methods. Boiling. Boiling is a cooking method where food is cooked in water at a high temperature until it reaches the boiling point, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Examples of foods commonly cooked by boiling include rice, beans, eggs, potatoes, maize, pasta, and meat. Always ensure safety when boiling food. When boiling, avoid overfilling the cooking pot with water and don't touch the hot cooking pot with your bare hands. Let's move to shallow frying. Shallow frying is a method where we cook food in small amounts of hot oil or fat in a frying pan. When shallow frying, food is cooked on one side first, then turned on to the other side. Examples of food cooked using shallow frying include eggs, fish, sausages, pancake, chapati, vegetables. Safety when shallow frying. Always pour cooking oil carefully and avoid splashing when placing your food into the pan, and hold the frying pan by its insulated handle or use a hot cloth, a kitchen glove if it doesn't have one. And that's the end of our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can always find this channel. You can click the playlist on your screen to watch more videos. Until next time, bye.